If you're experiencing issues with pending transfers on TikTok, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get your transfers processed smoothly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Step 2. Update the TikTok app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Review your payment information. Double-check your payment information in the app settings. Ensure that your bank account or payment method is correctly linked and that there are no issues with your payment provider. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve any temporary glitches. Go to your device settings, find TikTok, and select the option to clear the cache. Restart the app afterward. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If the issue persists, reach out to TikTok support for assistance. Provide them with details about the pending transfers and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfer issue on TikTok. If problems continue, staying in touch with support can provide further guidance.